Good afternoon, everyone. Techmadeezy, probably one of my most popular videos, honestly, so far, is about the FoodSaver. Okay? Now, I'm going to list the model number in the description, so if you're looking to get a FoodSaver, I've had this now, it's got to be around a year and a half. And what I wanted to go over today was the vacuum zipper bags. All right, these are the 1 quart vacuum zipper bags. About 18 of them. I picked these up, I believe, at Walmart, if I wasn't mistaken, for I believe around $10. But what's nice about these specific bags and the FoodSaver is, let's say you know you're going to be eating some chicken, or you have sandwich meat, or whatever it is. Instead of sealing it, right, because this is sealed chicken on both sides that I just did, and I dated, okay? So this is sealed. This is going to go in the freezer. I'll take it out, right, depending on how much. As you could see, I've really, sealed up a lot of chicken. And, in a couple of months, it's still going to be fine, which is nice, versus ZipLock bags where, the air gets inside, and then the chicken starts to go bad, right? So these are really helpful. But the FoodSaver vacuum zipper bags, what I like about these guys is they're reusable. You can clean these bags up very well using a brush inside the bag and some hot water and some soap. Okay, but you can put sandwich meat in here. You can put, as you could see, I've got 2 pieces of chicken cutlet in here, chicken breast in here, and I've sliced it up, so that's my kind of serving. I have 2 pieces of chicken with some steamed vegetables or whatnot. I'll pull one out every day. In this case, this will probably sit in my refrigerator for a day or 2, or maybe 3. And so again, you want to make sure that you got all the air out. So what's nice about this specific model is it actually comes with the accessory. Okay, and this accessory will seal jars, but it will also seal guys like this. So what I'll do is I'll zoom in just a little bit for you so you can kind of see it in action. All right, so what you want to do first off is you want to make sure that your bag is now sealed, all right, from the top. All right, just make sure that you got a good seal. Now here, just so you'll know, is where you're going to place the actual accessory, and then you're going to turn it on, and it is going to take all the air out of this bag. Okay, so again, love these bags. Bought a couple of them. Again, they're reusable, which is really nice. So you hit accessory, and it's going to get a little noisy, guys. You take this and you place it right there. See what's happening there? Taking all the air out of the bag. All right. And now retract, put it right back inside, and you've got the majority of the air out of this bag now. And it can sit in the refrigerator for a day or 2, or maybe 3, okay? And then, you go ahead and cook your food. I normally like to put these in the refrigerator, for a day, maybe 2. Not longer than that, obviously, right? But because you've taken most of the air out of this here, you're a little bit more protected versus a Ziploc bag, I've had an issue with the smell of chicken, depending on where I buy it from. I won't mention any names, but I recently went to Whole Foods. I spent a little bit more on my chicken. I'm not buying organic yet because it's still like $8 a pound. So I do spend a little bit more per pound. As you know, chicken's more around $1.99 a pound. So I'm paying more than that, but I haven't had any issues with taste or smell. And actually, just so you'll know, it's the 365 brand. And then there's, if you know Whole Foods, which I'm a new Whole Foods kind of guy, there's different levels. I think this is like level 2 or stage 2 or something like that. I love the way they break it all down too, which is really nice. So anyway, guys, real quick, I will include the model number on my FoodSaver. And these are the vacuum zipper bags, all right? And they're 1 quart or 1 liter, okay? 8.5 inches by 8.9 inches. And that's it. So, hey, if you're not a subscriber, take a moment and subscribe to the channel. That'd be great to join the family. And hit the bell on the right side so that you get notified of new videos. And please like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, don't press thumbs down, please. That really hurts the channel. So I'm hoping this is helpful for somebody out there. Obviously, when people look at the name of the channel, they're like, Tech Made Easy. What's technical about this? But, you know, this is still a product that a lot of people like to learn about and save money. And that's pretty much the big thing that I'm doing here is how do you save money? Buy in bulk, freeze up your chicken, freeze up your steak, date it, and, you know, make your food last longer so we don't throw out stuff. Anyway, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.